In this video, I'm going to show you how to check someone's location in Google Maps. Now, I'll show you this in the Google Maps version over here for my Android phone. However, if you want to simply track someone else's location and see where they are, you can do that on the web version of Google Maps as well, on your computer or on your mobile phone. So, I'm going to show you the procedure your friend or the one you would like to check the location of has to go through if you want to be able to see their location. So simply, what they want to do is go to Maps, and then once Maps open, they want to simply click up there on their profile image, so top right, and then in here, they want to click Location Sharing in the middle. In here, they want to click Share Location, and they can choose for how long they would like to share their real-time location. So it can be 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours or more, and of course you can also always go down, as you can see, to as low as 15 minutes. Now you can also put until you turn this off, and if you do this, it will just basically share your location until you decide, or until they decide they don't want to share that anymore. So they click this, and then they select for how long, let's say an hour, and then that's pretty much it, okay? Now, you can also choose to who you would like to share your location by clicking down there where there's suggestions, and once you click them, you'll be able to share location with them. Now, together with location, they will also be able to see your battery status on your device. So once they open up Google Maps, and if you're sharing your location with them, they'll be able to see kind of little dots with numbers on their map, and they'll be able to see where exactly you are currently located. Now, that's pretty much it. That's how you can check someone's location in Google Maps once they give you the permission to. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.